next tech tip, I'm going to show you how to log into your student Google account to be able to use Google Drive. There's basically two ways you can do that. The first is simply just to go to google.com, and in the right hand corner you'll see where it says sign in, and you'll click sign in. Once you click that, it'll give you a sign in box with your username and password. So what you'll want to do, your username and password is WM period and your lunch number. Now I'm going to use a sample account to show you how to get it started. Another way that you can log into your Google Drive, which is basically like an online thumb drive, you can put all kinds of files into that. You can also go to drive.google.com and you'll get this same login box. So I'm going to log in with my student account, and it's WM period, and yours will be your lunch number. It's at STU period CCBOE period US. And then your password is student 14. And then I just click sign in. Alright, since this is the first time I've ever used this account, the first thing it's going to ask me to do is to accept the user policy and continue to the account. So I'm going to go in here to the bottom and click the blue button. Now, the first thing it's going to ask me to do is to change my password. Now, this is really important. You need to write this password down because once you change it, teachers will not have access to what your password is. You'll be the only one that will know that. So, whatever you want it to be, you can change it to that. And then you just click change password. Alright, once you've created a new password, it may ask you to help keep your account secure. You may see this page, and you can put in your mobile phone number. I suggest that you do not do this. Just click skip here at the bottom. Also remember, when you're creating your password, if you don't create what Google thinks is a secure enough password, it will ask you to do it again. So I suggest that whatever your password is that you start it with a capital letter and then end it with a number or an exclamation point. So I'm going to click skip. Okay, it just takes me back to the regular Google page here, and it doesn't look any different at all. But if you look in the top right hand corner here, you'll see that I'm now logged in to Google. And this allows me to get to everything. If you'll click to the left of that under apps, you'll see one called Drive. And you just click on that. And it can ask you if you want to download Drive to your computer. You can tell it no thanks. And now I'm into my Drive. From this point, I can create documents, I can upload things, I can share files with other students and with my teacher at school. So next week, I'll show you how to create documents and share them with someone.